Picture the cosmos, vast, dark, and infinite, a stage for phenomena so strange and powerful that they defy human understanding. Among these marvels is the black hole, a cosmic titan that devours everything in its path, including light itself. Invisible yet immense, it is the ultimate force of destruction, bending space-time to its will. Now, imagine something equally extraordinary: the white hole. Unlike its counterpart, it repels rather than consumes. A theoretical entity that defies everything we know about gravity and matter, spewing out light, energy, and particles while allowing nothing to enter its domain. It's as though the universe created its own cosmic escape hatch. But what happens when these two opposites, creation and destruction, collide? Could the result tear apart space-time, creating chaos on an unimaginable scale? Or would it lead to something entirely new, something beyond even the boldest imaginations of science fiction? Today, we're stepping into the unknown. This is a story of paradoxes, possibilities, and the very fabric of the universe itself. Fasten your seatbelt for a journey to the edge of reality, where black holes and white holes meet. Before we dive into this mind-bending collision, let's get to know the players. First, the black hole. It begins its life as the remnants of a massive star, collapsing under its own gravity. This collapse creates a singularity, a point of infinite density, surrounded by an invisible boundary known as the event horizon. Nothing that crosses this threshold can ever escape. To put it into perspective, if Earth were to be compressed into a black hole, it would be no larger than a marble. That's how dense and powerful these cosmic monsters are. Now let's meet the white hole. It's the ultimate cosmic enigma, a region in space-time where matter and energy are ejected with such intensity that nothing can re-enter. While black holes have been observed indirectly through their effects on nearby stars and light, white holes remain purely theoretical. Some scientists think they might be connected to black holes, forming the other end of a wormhole, a tunnel through space-time. Others believe they may represent the final stage of a black hole's life. Whatever the case, they are an idea that pushes the limits of our imagination. So, what happens when these two opposites collide? Imagine a black hole drifting through the cosmos, its gravity devouring everything in its path. Now, picture a white hole, a region that repels anything approaching it, expelling matter and energy like a cosmic fountain. The moment they come face to face could be the ultimate paradox. Some theories suggest that the white hole's energy would counteract the black hole's pull, creating a violent equilibrium. The result? A storm of unimaginable proportions. Energy could ripple outward in the form of gravitational waves strong enough to shake the very fabric of space-time. This event could outshine entire galaxies, flooding the universe with light and radiation. Others believe the black hole might overwhelm the white hole, consuming it entirely. But here's the twist. If a white hole can't let anything in, what happens when it's consumed? Would it resist, creating an unstable system? Or would it fuel the black hole, leading to an even larger, more powerful entity? The collision could leave behind a completely new kind of singularity, one that challenges everything we know about physics. There's another possibility, one that's as exciting as it is mysterious. What if a black hole and a white hole are two ends of a wormhole? Imagine the black hole as the entrance, swallowing matter and light, while the white hole serves as the exit, ejecting that matter into another part of the universe, or even into a parallel universe. If a collision occurred, it could disrupt this wormhole, causing it to collapse in a spectacular release of energy. Or, Perhaps it could stabilize the wormhole, creating a permanent bridge between 2 points in space-time. Such a structure could revolutionize our understanding of the universe, providing a pathway for interstellar travel or even a connection to alternate dimensions. But this theory is not without its challenges. Wormholes, like white holes, are theoretical. Their existence relies on exotic conditions, negative energy and matter that we have yet to observe. Still, the idea of a black hole and a white hole forming a cosmic tunnel is a tantalizing glimpse into what might be possible in the farthest reaches of space-time. It's important to remember that much of this is speculation. While black holes are a proven part of the universe, white holes remain unconfirmed. They exist in the realm of equations and hypotheses, challenging our understanding of physics at every turn. A collision between the two would push us into uncharted territory, forcing us to rethink concepts like gravity, space-time, and even the nature of reality itself. But that's the beauty of exploring the unknown. Science thrives on questions we can't yet answer, on phenomena we can barely imagine. Every new discovery about black holes, like the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon, reminds us how much more there is to learn. Who knows? Perhaps one day we'll find evidence of white holes, or even witness phenomena that hint at interactions between these cosmic giants. At its core, the idea of a black hole and a white hole colliding isn't just a scientific curiosity. It's a window into the grandeur of the universe. These objects represent the extremes of nature: creation and destruction, beginnings and endings. They remind us of the profound complexity of the cosmos and our humble place within it. Thinking about such collisions pushes us to dream bigger, to ask deeper questions, and to explore the mysteries of existence. As we build more advanced telescopes and develop better theories, we're slowly unraveling the secrets of the universe. Perhaps one day, this thought experiment won't just be speculation. It will be a chapter in our understanding of how the cosmos works. So, what if a black hole and a white hole collided? Would it be a cosmic catastrophe, a new beginning, or something we can't yet comprehend? The answer remains a mystery. But it's these kinds of questions that inspire us to keep looking up, to keep searching for answers in the infinite expanse of space. What do you think would happen? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations of the universe's most fascinating mysteries. Until next time, keep wondering. The universe has far more questions than answers, and that's what makes it so beautiful.